Well, we've just been for a lovely long walk, and now we're heading back through the bamboo. They've reslated all the paths, which is wonderful. And we're going to go and find all the new bulbs as we meander back. It's such an amazing place. We've got dragons everywhere. This is a very grand one. Let's go and see what buds are coming up. Spring is springing. Look! All that new green, vibrant growth. Come on then. Amazing what you can do with a garden. This didn't exist a few years ago. It was just sort of drawn out on the ground, and now look at it. There were some established plants put in, but isn't it beautiful? This is the Japanese garden in Treborth Gardens. Look at all that fresh green. Whoa! This isn't actually a dog's water bowl. They just think it is. Oh, it's such a lovely day. That's a very big drink. I hope you're all well. Spring is springing. It's not far now. All the little buds on the trees. If you're feeling at all dark after that winter, just know it's happening.